guys? I'm back with another camping tip from Bucket List Guys. Today we are talking about this little guy right here. This thing is about the size of like a small Coors can or a medium-sized water bottle. It is about 16.3 ounces in weight. It's about 23 inches wide by 2.5 inches thick and about 72 inches long. You can get them in different lengths and sizes, but this is this one that I'm reviewing. So I highly recommend this thing because it has held up through like 3 or 4 years now of just being beat up all the time. We're always camping every weekend. You see it on our videos. We're constantly out doing things, and we constantly have to use things like this that are reliable and hold up because we can't continue purchasing things when we're constantly traveling and trying to spend our money on travel. So if you're looking for something, this thing blows up in about, it says 10 to 15 blows, but I would say it's about 15 to 25. And if you are out backpacking and you want something small, reliable, and it's going to actually keep you warm at night as well, these pockets work great. And if you look at the description below, you can click on the Amazon link and check it out and read the reviews yourself. They don't lie, they speak for themselves. And this thing's probably on the average about 30 to 50 bucks depending on what size you get. So check it out. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Have an epic day.